absolutely love working with producer Lorenzo.
Lorenzo came in prepared with a few different ideas already.
Creates like a really nice vibe for all these artists.
Voice notes at 2 AM of him playing the guitar really quietly and singing his falsetto.
Production skills, musical ear.
It's really professional, organized, results are perfect.
It always ends up sounding amazing.
He works with you and that's what makes it special with him.
Genuinely, he is the best at what he does.
I recommend him highly.
Definitely book Lorenzo now.
Hiya, my name's Aimee Broom and I'm a singer-songwriter from Essex. I first worked with Lorenzo when I was 14 years old, and he was one of the first people I actually met and worked with in the music industry. I was very nervous and apprehensive because everyone was older than me and more experienced, and he immediately made me feel so comfortable and we had the best time just writing songs together. He truly is as talented as he is kind. Genuinely, he is the best at what he does, and I'm so lucky that I got to work with him, especially from such a young age. I've learned so much and he has been so patient and supportive with me over the years, and I can't thank him enough for everything he's done. The best thing about working with Lorenzo is that he is such a perfectionist. It always ends up sounding amazing, so he's doing something right. A funny memory I have of Lorenzo, and something that I think really sums him up as a person, is that when we used to work together during lockdown, he would send me voice notes at 2 AM of him playing the guitar really quietly and singing his falsetto and just like whisper singing and like sending over ideas. And I just think that that just sums up exactly who he is, and he puts everything into his music, and it's truly amazing what he does.
Hey, what's going on? I am Kshoya from Brooklyn, New York, and I just wanted to say I absolutely love working with producer Lorenzo. He is one of my top 2 favorite producer to go to when I have a music project. The sessions are great. He's really professional, organized, have everything laid out. You have a full understanding of what you are stepping into before you begin your session, and the results are perfect. They are perfect. I love working with you. I'm not going anywhere. I can't wait to see you in person. I'm flying all the way out to England, to UK, and making sure that we definitely gonna see each other in person, okay? Definitely. Book Lorenzo now.
Hello guys, how are we doing? My name's James Smith. I'm a singer-songwriter from East London, and I worked with Lorenzo many years ago on some of the first music that I ever really done. He would have been my first session, so I've got a lot of love for Lorenzo. He made me feel super comfortable and at ease. I think he creates like a really nice vibe for all these artists. He's like a multi-instrumentalist, producer, singer-songwriter. I recommend him highly, so anyone that wants to work with him should get in the studio with him ASAP, because he's a great bloke. Hope you have a lovely session with him. Lots of love.
Hi, my name's Aimee and I'm an electronic pop artist based in London, and myself and Lorenzo did a session together a while ago. We wrote a great song, and the session was just really easy because Lorenzo came in prepared with a few different ideas already. I could just pick and choose what I like best, and he was really fun to work with as well, so I definitely recommend you work with Lorenzo.
Lorenzo, his production skills, his musical ear, his production ear, his engineering ear is on point. Like, you can't question it, and he always takes the time to listen to you, what views you have, because he understands that it's your own product going out. But also, if you want something out or you have deadlines, he's the guy to go to. He does not disappoint. He's like a musical project manager at the same time now for production. Honestly, all together, the way he works is with you. You know, it's not like, you know, he works for you or anything like that. He works with you, and that's what makes it special for him. As well as, you know, him giving you pointers how to sing it a certain way, sing it better. It does make sense. And I've been in the industry myself for about 20 years now, and seeing what he's done, it's just been amazing. His way of working is very different to other producers I've worked with. He would send you the actual tracks and give you 3 versions of it. His mastering skills will make sure just how you want it, even a PA mix will do for you, give to you. That's the kind of guy he is. So I just want to take this time to say thank you